Hey everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software, and in this video I'm going to show you how to leverage Builder to grant a specific AD user remote access to a device by adding it to the remote desktop users local group. So what you'll want to do is right-click on a device, right-click Tools, RCT Builder. We'll click on the Start node here. We'll give it a name so we know what the action will do. So grant remote access. And because we want to specify the user that we're granting access to, we'll select a string here, click Add. We'll choose text box so you can actually enter it. We'll call this AD username. And then we'll need to select the recast action that will allow us to actually add the user to that local group. So I'll search for local. Under system information, I can see add local group member. We'll drag the start node over, and then we'll click on this edge here. So computer name, if we select the start node, it'll pull in the computer name from whatever device you right click on to utilize RCT runner. So this will just pull in the device name. Member name, this is where we're actually going to use that custom parameter so we can pull in the input that we specify. So parameter mapping, start node, AD username, user domain is just going to be your domain. And then group is going to be remote desktop users, because that's the group that grants that privilege for us. So we'll click save. We'll minimize that. We'll go back to the console here, right click tools, RCT runner, because we're running the action we just built with Builder. Grant remote access. Next. Here's where we specify the username. Before we do that, I'll just show you quickly on the device we're running the action against that the user we're going to add isn't a member of the remote desktop users group locally, so it's not there. We'll go back to the console here, and the user we're going to add is test.user. So next, we'll run it immediately. It was successful. We'll go back to that device, and we can see that it's added. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Take care.